So my name is Henrico Dolfing. I'm okay with being filmed. Not my topic, but Miroslav asked me to present it. So there were basically three different questions all around risk management and communication about risk. We started discussion with what is actually a risk. Risk is nothing else as uncertainty, where you actually know upfront that it can happen, where real uncertainty, you don't know upfront what could happen. Typically, risk management assigns each risk a probability and a certain amount of impact, mostly expressed in dollars, and are then multiplied in order to give a nice number. Most of us agreed on that doesn't make sense. So then the question goes a little bit more in how does Scrum handle risk? We basically said, well, you should start with a catalog of risk, and then you basically look at each risk and try to find out a way to handle it after you identified it as an important risk. Then Peter jumped in his bumblebee role and basically came up with an example of such a catalog based on what Henrik Nieberg somehow presented in the interwebs. First one is basically technical risk. Hey, can we actually build what we want to build from a technical point of view? Standard time and budget risk. Scope risk. Are we actually able to build from a functionality perspective what we promised to do or what we plan to do? Then market risk. Hey, even when we build it, do we actually sell it? Does it get used? Then social risk. The team we have, can they work together? Do they function as a team? Then an additional risk, not from Henrik Nieberg, but from a participant in some course from Peter. Resource risk, familiar with everybody in a big company. Can you actually keep your resources for the duration of the project? Typically not. Infrastructure risk,